here's another option for what you can do with these simple techniques. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a bunch of circles in various shapes and sizes and then blend them together. So I'm starting for the outside and then I fill it in. So I'm going to leave just a little bit of space. And sometimes it's okay if you don't get that outside edge perfect. You can just kind of come back around and smooth it out with the tip. So I'm just going to do about 3 at a time because I don't want these to dry out too much. Like that. I'm going to do this one a little bit lighter. This will just get more water. So I'm going to rinse out my brush and use this lighter color here. And I'm going to make a circle just before it touches. That's actually a lot of paint on that, so I'm going to use a little more water. I'm going to fill that in. And then I'm going to go make it just a little bit bigger so it touches just barely. So you can also play around with doing some really tiny circles and some medium-sized ones. Take a little water from there. That's done. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's complete. But here you've got an abstract little painting that's really fun for a gallery wall or any other place you want to use it.